akkasuma yoo harargete yoo shawaate yoo wallagate hunda jimala homatti keessa kana fedha ya oromo akkana wal jaalatu qophii har'a kanaata dalagame bakka takkatti illee dalagame.
All right, we do have a couple of announcements. Our next performance is going to be at 5 o'clock. You guys are more than welcome to go ahead and try our traditional foods, clothes, and then you know what? Romia is the origin of coffee. If you guys want to go and try the organic coffee, you guys are more than welcome to go back there and give it a try. There's another announcement tomorrow at 9 p.m. There's going to be a concert at 9203 144 Avenue. The door is going to be open by 9 p.m. Falmata, Kabeda, and China Dagafa, they're here to just make you guys happy. Men Oromos, who's ready? We want to give a chance to Men Oromos. All right. Nashwan, you want to explain? The first question is the name of the nation.
The name of this nation is Oromo.
What did he say?
Oromo.
All right, say Oromo. All right, the name of the land. Nashwan, let's go. Oromia, Balo. Say Oromia. The name of the land is called what? Oromia.
Oromia.
All right, the last question. The language they speak. Nashwan, let's go. Afan Oromo. Afani. Afan Oromo. The next performance is Shakoyan Wallaka. On the way, let's go. Go around and try our foods and clothes. See you guys in a bit. Thank you.
Aku kian nomor ke DJ aja iba kabar ke wasamen. Oh gurba sama dia sebaik baik juga dia asuri bela. Iya lah Amerika aja dan negara. Iya lah Kanada aja. Apa ni? Orang kabar Yusuf.
Saya ame.
Kisah cemada. Ame dia apa?
Guyyaa sana eegalee hanga guyyaa isniina itti guyyaa sadii.
Waliin jira guyyaa sadii gargara kana garmaamna boo billaa alee.
Guyyaa hanga reefuun tana xiqqishoo eegalamee ture. Si ogaasanii geema gubbaa turte.
Geemarra jira bara.
Sichi barreessuun. Hawaasa Oromoo, hawaasa Winnipeg, Halifax, akkasuma gatee Vancouver, British Columbia.
Amma mee komanti Oromoo hojaa barreessame osakka Oromoo ta'ee barreessame namoota dhiiga keetii qaba.
Aadaa Oromoo itti gurgurama. Kitaaban seenaa Oromoo hedduutu asii gurguramoon abbaan seenaa barreessu tokko ni beekama. Abbaa Oromoo Tijaaniin abbaa kitaabaadha. Namni kun seenaa Oromoo yoo xiqqaatee ganna 40 adda addaatu gattee as keessatti